Welcome back to Business Diligence Digest, your number one channel for business insights and investment opportunities in Africa. Today, we're diving into a business idea you probably haven't thought about, but one that holds immense potential: toothpick production in Nigeria. It might seem like a simple product, but what if I told you that the industry is a multi-million-dollar business waiting to be explored? Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Toothpicks have been around for centuries. Did you know that in ancient times, they were crafted from precious metals like gold and silver? Back then, they were a symbol of wealth and status. But in the 17th century, wooden toothpicks became more common and accessible to everyone. Fast forward to today, toothpicks are one of the world's most used disposable items, found in homes, restaurants, and offices worldwide. In Nigeria, the need for toothpicks is especially significant. Our diverse and flavorful cuisine, often enjoyed with hands, naturally drives a high demand for toothpicks. What's surprising, however, is that Nigeria imports most of its toothpicks, despite having bamboo growing wild throughout the country. Bamboo, which is often mistaken for wood, is actually a type of grass known for its durability and fast growth. Its unique composition makes it an ideal raw material for producing strong, eco-friendly toothpicks. Let's take a closer look at the market potential. Nigeria has a population of over 218 million people, meaning there is a huge and constant demand for toothpicks. From homes to offices, restaurants to hotels, everyone uses toothpicks daily. Think about how many toothpicks are used after each meal across the country. Now multiply that by 365 days a year. The numbers are mind-blowing. According to a report by Business Day News, a Nigerian company called United Bamboo and Plastics Co. in Asaba produces over 2 billion toothpicks annually, generating a revenue of over $640,000 as far back as 2017. Despite this, they still can't meet the market's growing demand. Another company, Pimo Group, located in Edo State, also produces toothpicks, but is unable to keep up with local orders. Neither of these companies has considered exporting yet, proving just how much room there is for new manufacturers to enter the market. Starting a toothpick manufacturing business in Nigeria offers a range of unbeatable benefits. First, local production helps save the country millions of dollars in foreign exchange that would otherwise be spent on imports. According to the Central Bank of Nigeria, the country spends over $18 million annually on toothpick imports, despite having the raw materials and labor to produce them locally. Secondly, toothpick production can create thousands of jobs, from factory workers and machine operators to logistics staff and sales teams. The opportunities for employment are endless. This business also promotes local innovation, as machines can be fabricated in Nigeria if importing from countries like China or India is too costly. As the industry expands, there is even potential to export to other West African countries, creating a massive business-to-business export market. The best part is that the required investment isn't as steep as you might think. You can start small with just a few machines and expand as demand increases. And trust me, demand will rise, especially since the government supports local manufacturers through policies like tax breaks and import bans on toothpicks. Let me explain how toothpicks are made. It's much simpler than you'd expect. The process starts with harvesting bamboo, which is then dried and cut into smaller pieces. These pieces go through machines that split, slice, and shape them into fine sticks. Afterward, the toothpicks are polished for smoothness and sharpened at the ends. Once the toothpicks are ready, they're inspected for quality control. Defective products are removed, and the approved toothpicks are packaged in branded boxes, ready for retail sale. This entire process can be automated with the right machines, which ensures high production output and consistent quality. To start your own toothpick factory, you'll need a few essential pieces of equipment. These include a round cross-cutting machine, hard splitter, slicing machine, stick-making machine, skewer sizing machine, polishing machine, shaving and arranging machine, and a dust collector. These machines can be imported from China or India or fabricated locally if you find a reliable manufacturer. You'll also need land to house your factory. A 2-plot piece of land, that is 900 square meters, is enough to accommodate machines, storage areas, administrative offices, and future expansion. A covered space is also necessary for storing bamboo to keep it dry and ready for processing. Let's talk numbers. Setting up a medium-sized toothpick production factory in Nigeria requires an initial investment of about $700,000. This covers everything from purchasing machines and raw materials to hiring staff and running marketing campaigns. If you produce 2 billion toothpicks annually, your estimated revenue could be around $1.8 million per year, depending on pricing and market demand. After operating expenses like labor, raw materials, and maintenance, your projected net profit could reach up to $900,000 annually, allowing you to break even in just 18 to 24 months. There's no better time to invest in toothpick manufacturing than now. With rising demand, untapped export potential, and a supportive business environment, the opportunities are limitless. Imagine turning a simple product into a profitable business that supports Nigeria's economy, creates jobs, and even drives export sales across West Africa. If this sounds like a business you'd like to explore, don't wait. The market is wide open, and the potential for success is enormous. If you found this video informative and inspiring, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel, Business Diligence Digest. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below if you have questions, suggestions, or business ideas you'd like us to explore in future videos. Together, we can build a better future through entrepreneurship and innovation. See you in the next video.